What's the point in studying science if you're not going to be a scientist? What if you want to be a game designer or a chef or run your own business? It's easy to see how studying science will help a budding biochemist. They need to know facts about molecules, atoms, and chemical reactions. But science isn't just about knowing stuff. No scientist knows what they're about to discover. Science is a way of thinking. It's about how you look at the world. Science is questioning what people tell you, even your teachers. Studying science develops a wide set of transferable skills. You learn to approach problems in an organised way and work out creative ways of solving them. You learn how to get things wrong and analyse why, how to be open-minded about new or alternative ideas that challenge your thinking, and how to have the courage to change your mind and try again. Science gives you tools to approach any of life's problems. As DNA pioneer Rosalind Franklin said, "Science and everyday life cannot and should not be separated." So how can studying science help you? Game designers use logic and data skills to build fun, realistic game worlds. They need to test and evaluate their work and adjust their plans. All things you learn in science. Journalists have to be able to observe, research, and think critically. Whatever they report on, a scientific background will hone the skills they need. Studying science gives a chef the cutting edge they need to be precise under pressure, try new techniques, organise teams, manage budgets, and run their own restaurants. A scientific approach helps a sports coach to observe strengths and weaknesses and adapt schedules. It helps them understand how to methodically change diet or lifestyle to achieve better results. And someone who runs their own business needs to evaluate data, build plans, and be confident presenting their ideas to others. Almost any career benefits from the inquiring, innovating, and questioning mindset that comes from studying science. In a world of change, there will always be careers we can't yet imagine. Studying science opens the doors to thousands of jobs and careers. And it gives you the skills and flexibility to choose what you want to do. Where could science take you?